Hi, I'm Ms. Eaton, and today I'm going to demonstrate for 6th graders how to use an app called Flipaclip. And you can use it on your phone. You can use it for iPhone or Android phone, or you can put it on your tablet or your iPad. So what Flipaclip does is you can build animated GIFs, and then you can upload those to Facebook, or you can upload them to YouTube. I think you can save them to your phone and your photos. So I'm going to turn my phone around and I will demonstrate with you in just a minute. And that's the little intro demo they give. So these are just some samples that I've done, and I'm going to start a new one. And I'm going to give it a name, and I'm just going to say test. Let's see, 3. Okay, so that is my test. And then I'm going to start, I think I'm going to do 9 cells. And I'm going to start by filling in my cells a color. And I can get to the color this way. I just pressed my finger down on that long. I think I'm just going to do a color like this. Okay, so that's my color. And I'm going to go to my paint bucket and fill in my color. And then I'm going to go to my pen and I'm just going to do a ball thrown up in the air and like coming down on the ground. So I'm just going to use my finger, and that's my ball. So then I'm going to do the second cell, and I'm going to fill it in with the same color. Then I'm going to go to my pen, and I'm going to go up a little bit more, like a little bit further up from where that ball was. Then I'm going to go to the other one, and you can see where that ball was, so it'll help me to make the next ball. So I'm going to fill this in, and somehow the ball doesn't stay there, but anyway, it's going to go up in the air. And then I'm going to do it again, and I'll fill in this color, and I'm going to go to my pen, and it's going to come down a little bit, and I'm going to do it again, fill in the color, and I'm going to make it come down, do it again, and I'm going to fill in the color, get my pen, and I think one more time I'll do a little bit bigger, and my last one will be big. So I'm going to fill in the color again. Whoop. That was a lasso, I didn't want to do that. Alright, so we fill it in and do my pen, and then it's going to be big down on the ground. So we're going to play it. So you see how it does that? It's an animated GIF. So you can use your finger. I don't know if a stylus, like a stylus from a DS, I know the Apple Pen doesn't really work on the iPhone 8, but if you have a newer iPhone, maybe the Apple Pen could work and you could do more detail in your drawing. So anyway, I can show you. This is a demo that I did at the very beginning, and it's 6 cells, I think. That's just a bunch of scribbles. So anyway, this is a little more abstract, but you may want to put a person in there, or you could do a landscape. You can work with layers in it. So that was my demo on Flipaclip. I think it would be really fun to work with it on a tablet, which I don't happen to have a tablet. But using my finger on the phone seemed to work okay. I think you could probably try to draw more, not abstract things, but more recognizable things like people and maybe vehicles, or whatever you wanted to do. And you can share the animated GIFs with your friends. You can put them up on YouTube, share them that way. And I think it's a really neat app. It's free, and the only thing is with the free version, you do get ads with it, for a free app just to play around with. I think it's really fun. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye.